Under the sun, our hearts ignite. In the shade of eternal light, we chant for peace, pure and bright. Humble hearts, no need to fight. Through the smoke of sacred herb, we find love in every word. Justice calls and can be heard. Spread the truth like flying birds. One heart, one love, we are free. In Jah's embrace we will be. Equal rights for you and me. We're strong like the mighty tree. Rivers flowing from the mountain, blessings like an endless fountain. From the soil of Zion's garden, grow the seeds of truth, no pardon. Through the drums they speak the soul, tales of ancients make us whole. Riding high and never low, feel the rhythm, let it show. One heart, one love, we are free. In Jah's embrace we will be. Equal rights for you and me. We're strong like the mighty tree. Rivers flowing from the mountain, blessings like an endless fountain. From the soil of Zion's garden, grow the seeds of truth, no pardon. One heart, one love, we are free. In Jah's embrace we will be. Equal rights for you and me. Roots strong like the mighty tree. One heart, one love, we are free. In Jah's embrace we will be. Equal rights for you and me. Roots strong like the mighty tree. From the mountain, blessings like an endless fountain. From the soil of Zion's garden, grow the seeds of truth, no pardon. Rising with the sunlight so divine, peace like the river flows in line. Love in every moment, taking time. We say justice can heal and shine. In the land where the lion roars free, heartbeats rhythm from the ancient tree. Brother, sister, we all belong, singing high that unity song. Peace, love, justice from Jah above. Roots grow deep in the soil of love. Rastafari wisdom guides our way. Harmony leads us every day. Feel the vibrations, they lift us high. Stars are dancing in the wide blue sky. Every struggle turns to victories. With the power of Jah will rise. Chanting down Babylon with faith, we move forward, no time to waste. One world, one heart, that's how we blend. On this journey we'll transcend. Peace, love, justice from Jah above. Roots grow deep in the soil of love. Rastafari wisdom guides our way. Harmony leads us every day. Feel the vibrations, they lift us high. Peace, love, justice from Jah above. Roots grow deep in the soil of love. Rastafari wisdom guides our way. Harmony leads us every day. roots rise up from the underground. Peace and love will sing profound. Justice echo all around. In our hearts the truth is found. Lion hearts we stand so tall. Babylon will never make us fall. Speak of love, we heard the call. United souls we will endure all. Peace and love, justice for all. One by one we'll break the wall. In the vibes we stand so true. Rasta spirit sees us through. Rivers flow with healing streams. Hope and joy, not just in dreams. Simple life where peace redeems, guided by our righteous schemes. Peace and love, justice for all. One by one we'll break the wall. In the vibes we stand so true. Rasta spirit sees us through. Rivers flow with healing streams. Hope and joy, not just in dreams. Simple life where peace redeems, guided by our righteous schemes. Peace and love, justice for all. One by one we'll break the wall. In the vibes we stand so true. Rasta spirit sees us through. Oceans roar with freedom song. In our hearts we all belong. Dance to rhythms that are strong. Rasta faith will keep us long. Peace and love, justice for all. One by one we'll break the wall. In the vibes we stand so true. Rasta spirit sees us through. Peace and love, justice for all. One by one we'll break the wall. In the vibes we stand so true. Rasta spirit sees us through. Rivers flow with healing streams. Hope and joy, not just in dreams. Simple life where peace redeems, guided by our righteous schemes. Sunrise brings wisdom brewing in the breeze. All mankind united, can't you see the keys? Brother, sister walking hand in hand so free. Spread the love and roots from sea to shining sea. One love revolution, hear the drum beat loud. Peace and justice rising, breaking through the cloud. Soulful like a fella singing truth so proud. Rastafari guided with the faith avowed. Stars above are watching silent through the night. Ancient whispers tell us keep the fight for right. Hearts beat stronger when we see the blaze in the light. Unity and power we shall reunite. One love revolution, hear the drum beat loud. Peace and justice rising, breaking through the cloud. Soulful like a fella singing truth so proud. Rastafari guiding with the faith avowed. Roots grow deeper, earth connects us tight. Every struggle faced brings dawn to darkest night. Together we will stand, no need to hide or fight. Harmony within as our souls take flight. One love revolution, hear the drum beat loud. Peace and justice rising, breaking through the cloud. Soulful like a fella together singing truth so proud. Rastafari guided with the faith avowed. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. In the valley of Zion, we find our way. Rasta spirit guide us every day. With the lion's roar and the drum's sweet play, chanting for justice come what may. Under the mango tree, where peace is near, brother with brother, no need to fear. In the midst of sunrise, just voices clear, calling for love in every tear. Love and unity lead the heart. Peaceful days where dreams depart. Justice standing tall and proud. Rasta spirit sing it loud. Give your hands to build a dream. Flow like rivers in just stream. Rastafari light the gleam. We are one, or so it seems. On the hillside where the green fields grow, harvest blessings as we sow. With the roots so deep where the winds don't blow, in the arms of Jah we all shall know. Under the